So I went ahead and I continued to color code to further sort this information into a logical order. And I just went ahead and I copied all of this information and I just started a new page. So I'm only looking at the skills. So I just pasted it right here because this paragraph is only going to be dealing with information from this list right here. Well, I've got about 4 different topics, as you can see from the colors, and I only have to write one paragraph. So I'm only going to use 2 colors at most. So I decided, and I bolded it, I decided to talk about planning for low temperatures and doing things like storing batteries close to the body. And then I decided to also write about how to like melt snow to drink, how to use snowshoes, how to walk on the frozen snow, so kind of how to handle the snow. But before I start writing my paragraph, I have to go back and get my more in depth notes because I can't just go off the topic. So I'm going to go back now to source 3, storing batteries, and I'm going to pull the whole bunch of information back into um, a place where I'll be able to use it. And then I'm actually going to have to change the font so I know what I'm looking at here. I'm going to bold everything though. I'm going to go back to source 4 for planning for low temperatures. And I'm going to get that information. Just trying to keep my font so I can tell what I'm looking at. Hopefully I chose 12 and then 14 figures. And then since I think I'm also going to use the blue topics, I'm going to go back to source 4 again, easier to walk on frozen snow. I need to figure out where that is. Oh, right here, easier to walk on. So I'm going to copy and paste that next. It's a lot of sorting. Research is researching, resorting, reorganizing information. That's exactly what you're doing here. For melting snow to drink, I'm going to go to source 7. Melting snow to drink. Remember your handwritten notes. So you're going to be typing this information in because you'll have your packets with you physically. So you'll have to start typing information in to these documents. And then the last one is how to use snowshoes. Okay. You can go ahead and, gosh, so now this is going to feel really weird, but this is part of the process. If I'm not going to use these, I'm going to take them out. Wear just enough layers. I'm not going to use that one in the end. I did not take this one. I did not use purple. I did not talk about any of these. So now I'm starting to get what looks like an actual paragraph. So I'm going to have a paragraph that talks about planning for low temperatures, and I'm going to go ahead and reorder that right now because that's a more general idea, and storing batteries close to the body is more specific. So I'm going to keep going with this sorting, this reordering information into a logical stream of thought. So planning for low temperatures, using strategies like battery storage close to the body, and then how to handle and manage the snow. Okay, so this is going to be your next step. It's just kind of reordering your information and creating an outline for that first paragraph.